So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to transfer data between GrapheneOS phones, move files and app to new device. Step 1 is using the built-in backup. Backup your old phone, insert a USB-C flash drive into your old phone, navigate to setting, then system, then backup. Select backup to a USB drive or choose your USB drive. Follow the prompt to create an encrypted backup. Set a password or write down a mnemonic phrase for security. Then second one is restore to your new phone. Insert the USB-C drive into your GrapheneOS phone. Then navigate to setting, system, backup, restore from a USB drive. Enter the password or passphrase created during the backup to restore your data. Second step is transferring photos, music and files. Enable quick share on both GrapheneOS device, then settings, then go to connected device, then connection preference, then quick share. On the old phone, open the file app or gallery. Select the item you want to move. Tap the share button and choose your new GrapheneOS phone from the list. Accept the incoming transfer on your new phone. Third step is transferring contacts. Open the contact app on your old phone. Tap the menu and select settings, then export. This action creates a .vcf file. Move the .vcf file to your new phone using a USB drive or quick share. Open the contact app on your new iPhone or phone, then go to setting, then import and select the .vcf file. Thanks for watching.